Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set reminder and everything in your notepad like your default notepad. For that you have to watch the full video, so let's get started. So first you have to click on notes, and then here you can see welcome. First you have to click on this right corner, and here you can see welcome task. Just click on here and then click on set reminder, and then give it a date, give it a time, and give it okay. Then you have to give, if you want to give another task, then give it again, and then just give it done. And here you can see your task is ready, and you have to give the checklist like whichever task you want to do. Like you have to write here the task, like if you want to do let's say you want to do physics paper. Okay, physics I want to do, then I want to do math. Okay, math. So you just write those, and when you will give a click on here, and it will be first give it done, and then when you will click on here, and it will be cut like you have done your work. So that's why it's just cutting that, and you have to do this. So like this it works normally. So it will give you the reminder on this time that you need to do this work. So that's how you can use your notepad as your reminder. Like some people don't know this, that they can use notepad as their reminder. They don't need any app to download, but still some people so that's why I'm making this video for them, so that they don't have to download any app. They can use their notepad only. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, and do like, share, and subscribe to this channel.